Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. Wish you all a happy new year. Time now is around 6 p.m. and today is 1st of January 2025, right? So yesterday we didn't post any video because I had some personal commitments, so I was not able to post any video. Talking or recapping about what I told on day before yesterday, that is maybe on Friday video or sorry on Sunday video. The likelihood of market range is between 23,500 to 23,800. Now you know what happened yesterday. It went all the way, if I am right, yeah, yesterday we went, Nifty went all the way till, that is 24th, we went all the way till 23,461. From there we bounced and we again retraced from 23,800. Now for your information, this is the chart which we are having, and you can see here I told in a Sunday video that the market is going to be range bound between 23,500 to around 23,800, and that is exactly what is happening. If you can see here, there was a bounce here at around 23,000. If you had like actually we told, if you want to sell some buy some option, you have to buy at around 23,500 levels. Had you bought, it is 300 points rally, you could have captured a 300 points rally, and we are rejecting exactly at 23,800. So this is what we told. Now the main question is what is going to happen, or the likelihood of market for the next few days, or let's say for tomorrow also, right? Now if you ask me, we are still having a range of around 23,500 to around 23,800. We'll talk about the Nifty also. In fact, I will show you our PNL. Today was a very hard day for option seller. We are in a loss. Let me show my PNL so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. So this is our PNL. We are in a loss of today's MTM loss is around 54k and PNL is around 32,000. Right now, if you ask me why we are in a loss, is because if you had seen the premium, actually premium has increased, right? Today's straddle premium, let's assume 23,400. You go and check 23,400 what to say straddle premium, which is trading at around 250 rupees, and tomorrow is a expiry. Right now, that is the main concern here. If they are keeping the premiums very tight, or they are keeping the premiums high, means they are likely to, you are likely to see a movement tomorrow, or maybe in the coming days. Now if we are not seeing any premium theta decay tomorrow morning, the probability of market moving, or the probability of spikes, or let's say injections, or a sharp movement either on the downside or on the higher side is highly possible. That you have to remember first, and trade cautiously tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Nifty expiry. See for the first half an hour, or let's say 1 hour, if there is no premium decay at all, you are going to have a sharp move on any direction. Either it can touch 23,500, or let's say 23,000. I don't think it is going to go to 23,000, or let's say it is not going to go to above 24,000. But hypothetically, I'm saying, this is all, whatever I'm saying is hypothesis. It can happen, it may not happen. So there are lots of things you have to consider when you are trading. Right now, what we believe is, because there is a huge premium at straddles, today's straddle, the possibility of market moving sharply tomorrow is very high on one condition. If there is premium, still there is premium at around maybe 10 o'clock or 9:45, you will have to be very careful. Make sure you can go long on straddles. You can make a long straddle, or you can make a long strangle, so that you will make a money. So this is what we have observed all these days, right? So in case still and I'll tell you one more thing, we are still intact with our like let's say for example, if the market is not moving, or if the market is range bound for a very range bound tomorrow, if there is premium decay in the first half an hour of tomorrow, let's assume the market might be sideways between around 27,000 23,000 sorry 23,700 to around 23,800. It might be range bound if there is no premiums at all. If there is heavy premium, then you have to understand either it will have a sharp move on the downside or sharp move on the higher side. That we cannot tell now. That is what we are saying. So we are having a straddle, or we are having some straddles. And if the market is range bound, maybe whatever I showed, whatever losses we are seeing now will be recovered, and maybe we will be in good profit. So that is my perspective in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty is also kind of sideways. If you see here, it is kind of actually today it moved, but they were not able to close below 51,000. So 51,000, you have to remember, is where institutions are having huge orders. So the probability of market going on the higher side or on the sideways is very very high. But what we believe is that if you see US markets are closed today, and tomorrow maybe SGX Nifty is showing positive maybe 100 or 120 points. Maybe we will gap up, but still if you see Nifty, I don't think it will gap up above 23,800. And this is also hypothetical, because any positive news can take the market on the higher side, and that is the same case in Nifty also. Now if we see the 1 hour perspective, we will get a different idea. Now whatever I showed is a 5 minutes chart. Now you can see here there is a huge short at around 52,000 level. So 52,000 level should be a, if we open the supply and demand, if you see the supply and demand, let me open the supply and demand. There is no significant supply or demand at this area, right? So we'll close this one for now. For now we have to see this area, which is around 51,500 level. If Bank Nifty is able to take 51,500 levels, we may go towards 52,500 or even 52,800 levels is what we strongly believe in terms of Bank Nifty. And in terms of Nifty, there is a heavy writing at around, this is the hourly chart, and let me zoom it and you can see what is happening here, right? So it has retraced, there is a bounce here, there is huge writing here, there is a again short selling at around 24,000. So we will have to wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. So the conclusion here, or our trading setup, is like we are having straddles mostly in Nifty between 23,500 to 23,800, right? Or even in the last minute we did a butterfly where our range is between around 23,700 to around 23,800. Now you may ask, it is a very very small range. Of course it is a very small range, but why we did it is because maybe if tomorrow theta decay happens even in first half an hour or even in first 1 hour, we will be able to capture good we'll be able to make a good profit in the first half an hour. So that is why we put this trade, right? So let us see what happens if Nifty is going to cross 23,800 or let's say 24,000 or 23,500, or is it going to be in the range between 23,700 to 23,800. We'll have to wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. I hope you all the best for this new year, and let us see how things work out. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.